Welcome, I'm Lucy from the County Library. Today we're going to make two projects from simple things you probably have laying around your house. First, we're going to do an art project using old toilet paper tubes, and then we're going to make a fun outside activity using old tin cans. So let's get started. First, we're going to make an art project using old toilet paper tubes. I got this idea from the website thebestideaforkids.com. So you'll want to have a few toilet paper tubes, glue, paint, and brushes, scissors, and a sheet of paper or cardstock. I also used popsicle sticks, buttons, and a pipe cleaner if you've got those. So first, you're going to paint the outside and the inside of the toilet paper tube. I also painted my popsicle sticks green. After the paint has dried, cut sections off the tube, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now, if you don't have paint, you could color the tubes with markers instead. Now, after you've cut them, it'll leave a little bit of exposed cardboard, so I touched up the ends of the sections with some paint. Now it's time to make your picture. You can squeeze a little bit of glue onto each piece and then lay it on the paper. But if you are working with younger children, an idea is to pour glue onto a plate, and then you can dip the pieces into the glue. That way you get a good coating of glue, and it's a little bit easier to apply the glue to the pieces. So we're going to add a little button for an embellishment, and we'll add a pipe cleaner to make our butterfly look great. There we go. So this is how the projects turned out. Now let's make some tin can stilts. When I was a little girl, sometimes we made tin can stilts. For this project, I've got some 10-pound cans and some 28-ounce cans. So you'll need 2 cans for each set of stilts, some rope, some scissors, and a can opener. On the top of the can, where it's still sealed, you're going to use the can opener to make some holes, and you'll do it on the side of the can, not the top. So you'll put one hole on one side and another hole on the other side, and you'll do that for both cans. Now that'll leave a little bit of a pointed piece of tin on the inside. So if you have a dowel, or I used PVC pipe to reach down inside the can, and then I just pounded it in to make that smoother so the kids wouldn't get hurt. Okay, you're going to cut 2 pieces of rope the same length. Now, when I cut mine for a 10-year-old, I used 72 inches. For a 7-year-old, I used 46 inches, and for a 4-year-old, 36 inches. So you're going to string the rope into the can with the loose ends on the inside of the can. Pull it up, tie a knot, and then when you pull it back out, that knot will be tucked up inside the can. So we'll just tie one more knot, and then let's give the can stilts a try.
Smiles.
Let's see how it works. Good job. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Give us a wave. Bye. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to check out our website. We're at www.thecountylibrary.org. Take care. Bye.